Yeah, what I currently have here on my Galaxy S23 Ultra is this tempered glass, which looks really nice, super stable, was easy to apply, also very easy for swiping, absolutely perfect, but really doesn't work with the fingerprint. I've tried everything. You can see it's even nicely attached with this patch inside, but still usually can't read my fingerprint. And so what I'm doing here is I'm removing this one here and now going back to a TPU film, here in this case the Supershieldz Protection Professional. I had already a TPU film on my phone before and I've been really happy with it, but then I've seen how much easier it is with a glass protector to swipe, do everything, and then I switched, but after that I noticed that it's pretty much impossible to use the fingerprint sensor. That's the reason why I'm really going back here now. Let's try this one here from Supershieldz. So let's see what we got here. A ton of stuff, I would say. Everything what we really need is squeegee, alcohol wipe, dust absorber, even special guide sticker, soft cleaning towel, and two of these films. So I leave one here inside. Just going to use this one here. And so of course the application is a little bit more difficult than with just a glass screen protector, but it's definitely worth to do that. And it's actually not super difficult. So here we have the alcohol wipe, wiping down everything nicely, especially also on the side, on the edges, so that the protector will stick nicely also on the outside. That's very important. That's of course the most difficult area. Definitely don't spare this out at the outside. Now wiping this dry is this cleaning towel using one of the dust stickers. But definitely want to double check here if there's no dust. Now we need this tool down here where we have the opening and we put it like that. So we have these pins to the upside and now we are taking this screen protector. We have a 1, we have a 2, we have a 3. So we take the 1 here and we turn it around and we are grabbing the 1 and removing this protection here. That's very, very important. And so we flip it around, align it down here, hold it maybe with one finger and align it so you match the camera opening here on the left side. Maybe even lift it up here in the center a little bit. So I hold it here, lift it a little bit up here in the center so I have more time to match the camera opening. Yeah, I think I have it here. Camera perfectly centered and it starts sticking here already. Can do this a little bit already here. And now I lift up the protector from the top of the phone, grabbing the number 2 protection here a little bit and using the scraper from the other side and push it along till the very top, till it's finished. Yeah, I think I have it nicely aligned here, just 1 or 2 small bubbles. Already push it away and now same thing from the other side. We lift it up from the bottom now, removing the protection which has a number 3, or just lift it up here a little bit so it's then sliding towards this side. Turn it around so I can do that better because I'm right-handed, and so I push from where I see the first bubbles here. I push from there to the other side. You can see I can just push here, don't have to hold the protection, maybe just a little bit here, just push it fully down and now I can remove the protection here. There are still a few bubbles. I think the best is to push them sideways, but the small ones will disappear over time anyway, don't be worried. Yeah, just very few small bubbles here. I've already removed pretty much everything. Now also very important to push down the edges here because it's not a glass protector. We have to really push that down manually. And so I'm good with that. Camera opening perfectly centered. Can remove also this guide. Yeah, putting it back now into the case. Okay. And so let's see how everything works. You can see swiping perfect. Okay, and so let's try to add a fingerprint. Already 91 and done. Okay, so now let's try. I'm holding the camera away from me so it's not accidentally using the camera to unlock, using my finger here to unlock, and it definitely worked at the first attempt and everything else works also perfect. So I'm super happy with it. I would say, at least at the moment, full recommendation from my side for the Supershieldz TPU protection film. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this Supershieldz screen protector, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.